The suspect in the killing of 20-year-old accounting clerk Khanice Jackson was remanded in custody when the case was called up in the Home Circuit Court. The suspect, a St. Catherine-based mechanic, faced the court via a Zoom call this morning. Robert Fowler is the only suspect in the gruesome murder of 20-year-old Khanice Jackson in March this year. He has been in custody since March when he was held, questioned by the Portmore police, and charged with murder. On Thursday, when the case was called, Mr. Fowler faced the judge via a video link. However, the prosecution requested more time, informing the court that the case file is still incomplete. Attorneys Althea Freeman and Lyndon Wellesley are representing Mr. Fowler.
There are still some outstanding documents which the prosecution is required to disclose by July 30th of 2021. And there are still further outstanding documents to be disclosed at a later date.
The outstanding documents are 2 forensic reports, including one detailing the suspect's phone records. The attorneys say once these files are presented, they will take further directives from their client. 50-year-old Robert Fowler, a mechanic of a Portmore address, was picked up by the police after Khanice Jackson's body was found in bushes off the Dyke Road in Portmore on March 26. Miss Jackson lived in Independence City and was reported missing 2 days before. Police investigators say Miss Jackson's handbag, bank card, and other personal items were found at Mr. Fowler's home. Mr. Fowler is to return to court on November 25.